Hello, I'm Calon Woodson, first year medical student here at Oklahoma State University. I worked alongside Con Nguyen, Daniel Molina, and Peter Lang on this project. It was a project over a survey in perceptions and knowledge in the use of core outcome sets in knee and hip osteoarthritis trials, and it was a cross-sectional study.
Hi, my name is Con Nguyen, and I'm a current first year at OSU-CHS. And for the background, in the medical field, clinical research plays a vital role in assessing wide-ranging improvement pertaining to public health, including efficacy of new therapeutic drugs, competency of surgical and medical procedures, and usefulness of treatment plans. And with a rise in numbers of clinical trials being performed, selective data is often reported, which could hinder the process of compartmentalizing and evaluating their relevance concerning the subject. Usage of core outcome sets have been shown to markedly reduce this discrepancy. And by applying core outcome set to clinical trials, a minimum agreed upon standard for data presentation can be reached, thereby reducing heterogeneity and increasing their applicability in relating to the clinical topic. In our research, we gathered data through a series of meta-analysis surveys from various clinical researchers who have performed clinical trials pertaining to our research in knees and hip osteoarthritis. Our goal is to gain an understanding into the decision-making behind the variables used and the data gathered from these studies, in addition to grasping the significance of current osteoarthritis core outcome sets.
In a previous investigation, we assigned the alignment of core outcome sets for knee and hip osteoarthritis. We sent a 20-question survey targeting clinical trialists who planned, executed, or analyzed osteoarthritis trials in years prior. All participants will have been informed consent and maintain complete anonymity. The participants' familiarity with core outcome sets will determine the survey path that they followed. Surveys will be administered to trialists via REDCap, which is a secure web-based application designed for research data collection. Data analysis may include both descriptive and inferential statistics. Additionally, open-ended questions will be used to obtain qualitative data.
Out of 1,000 emails that were sent, 19 responses were received. It comes out to 1.9%. Of the respondents, 14 stated that they were familiar with core outcome sets already, which was 73.7% of the 19 total responses. Respondents that indicated familiarity with core outcome sets were then asked whether or not they were aware that a core outcome set existed specifically for osteoarthritis. 13 out of the 14 said yes, or 92.9%, and 1 out of 14 said no, or 7.1%.
In conclusion, the current 19 respondents largely indicated an understanding of the existence of core outcome sets, and all found the core outcome sets to be very important, but seem to hold different positions on the barriers to the implementation of osteoarthritis core outcome sets. There is a widely held view that a core outcome set does not need to be used in its entirety. This result was also found in our previous study for the implementation of the 2019 core outcome sets, so that the study found the inconsistent use of osteoarthritis core outcome sets.